Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to change emoji color on Android and help you personalize your messages easily. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Activate the on-screen keyboard by tapping the message field in your messaging app, like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. This will bring up your keyboard for typing. Step 2. Tap the smiley icon located in the lower left corner of the keyboard to open the emoji keyboard, where you can explore various emoji categories. Step 3. Press and hold an emoji that offers color customization, which is indicated by a downward-facing arrow next to it, such as hand, face, or body emojis. This opens more options. Step 4. In the skin tone selection menu that appears, choose your preferred color from 6 different shades, ranging from light to dark, to personalize your emoji. Step 5. Use your customized emoji in your messages and repeat the steps whenever you want to change colors for other emojis as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.